What if I told you that the key to a calm, powerful, and unshakable life is not changing the world around you, but changing the way you think? Imagine being surrounded by chaos, pressure, betrayal, war, and responsibility, yet remaining peaceful inside. This was not a motivational fantasy. This was the real life of Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor who ruled during constant turmoil, but mastered something far more powerful than an empire: his own mind. Stoicism teaches us that positivity is not about fake smiles or ignoring pain. It is about understanding that your thoughts decide the quality of your life. The moment you realize that external events don't control you, your perception does, you reclaim your power. Every day we waste energy fighting things we cannot change: people's opinions, unexpected problems, unfair situations. Stoicism flips this struggle and says, focus only on what is in your control: your thoughts, your reactions, your actions. A single negative thought can quietly poison your mood, your confidence, and even your health, while a single positive thought can ignite courage and clarity. The Stoics train their minds daily through reflection and journaling, questioning their thoughts instead of blindly believing them. When a challenge appeared, they didn't say, "Why is this happening to me?" They asked, "How can this make me stronger?" This shift changes everything. Instead of labeling situations as good or bad, Stoicism teaches us to see them as neutral events shaped by our interpretation. You fail once, and your mind says, "I'm not good enough." A Stoic mind responds, "This is feedback, not a verdict." One powerful Stoic practice is reframing, turning obstacles into training grounds. Failure becomes a lesson. Pain becomes discipline. Delay becomes preparation. Another deeply transformative tool is premeditatio malorum, the practice of calmly anticipating difficulties. This isn't pessimism, it's mental preparedness. When you expect challenges, they lose their power to shock you. You walk into hard situations steady, not reactive. Alongside this, Stoicism emphasizes gratitude, not as blind positivity, but as grounded awareness. When you appreciate what you already have, fear of loss weakens. Gratitude anchors you in abundance rather than scarcity. Marcus Aurelius also reminded us to return to the present moment again and again, because the past no longer exists and the future is uncertain. Peace lives only in now. By practicing mindfulness, limiting distractions, and giving full attention to whatever you are doing, even ordinary moments become meaningful. Life stops feeling rushed and starts feeling lived. When you combine control of thoughts, preparation for adversity, presence in the moment, and gratitude for existence itself, you build an unbreakable inner fortress. This is how Stoics stayed calm in storms, and how you can too. If this message is helping you see life differently, take a moment to like this video. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more timeless wisdom that strengthens your mind and sharpens your focus. And comment below, what thought do you need to let go of today? Remember, you don't need to control everything, just your mind. And once you do that, nothing outside can truly shake you.